Ever wondered what stands between chaos and order on our roads, in our communities, and even in the face of natural disasters? Today, we unravel the incredible barriers that stand as formidable guardians against the forces that threaten safety and security. From innovations inspired by military prowess to cutting-edge technologies designed to adapt and respond intelligently, these barriers are the unsung heroes of modern civilization. Join us on a journey through ingenuity and resilience as we explore how these barriers defy the odds and stop anything in its tracks. Head-on collisions and soft barriers. Picture this, a high-speed collision, a moment of terror frozen in time. Head-on collisions are among the most severe accidents on our roads, often resulting in catastrophic consequences. But what if there was a way to soften the blow? Enter soft barriers, a revolutionary advancement in road safety. Unlike their rigid counterparts, these barriers absorb kinetic energy, cushioning the impact and reducing damage to vehicles and occupants alike. With the potential to save countless lives, soft barriers represent a beacon of hope in the fight against road fatalities. Military-inspired rapid deployment fence. In the realm of security, agility is key. That's where the rapid deployment fence comes into play. Inspired by military tactics, this fence unfolds like a silent sentinel, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. With its modular design and versatile capabilities, it offers a swift and effective solution to securing perimeters and thwarting intruders. From battlefield to city streets, the rapid deployment fence stands as a testament to human ingenuity in the face of adversity. VUS's retractable signs. When it comes to road safety, visibility is paramount. That's why VUS, a Canadian innovator, has introduced retractable signs that signal lane changes with precision and clarity. Gone are the days of flimsy cones and makeshift barriers. These sturdy signs offer a reliable solution for guiding traffic and protecting road workers. With the ability to be remotely controlled and powered by renewable energy sources, they represent a leap forward in both safety and sustainability. Air curtain wings. Step into any crowded venue, and you'll likely encounter a familiar sensation, the chill of the air conditioning. But what if there was a way to keep the cold at bay without sacrificing comfort? Enter air curtain wings, the unsung heroes of indoor climate control. Shaped like aerodynamic wings, these barriers create a barrier of warm air, enveloping visitors in a cocoon of comfort. Whether it's a bustling shopping mall or a tranquil concert hall, air curtain wings ensure that everyone stays cozy regardless of the weather outside. Vehicle stopping innovations. In the relentless pursuit of safety, vehicle stopping innovations stand as stalwart defenders against vehicular chaos. From rubber cables ensnaring speeding cars to hydraulically driven barricades rising like silent sentinels, these barriers are the last line of defense on our roads. Rigorously tested and tirelessly refined, they represent the pinnacle of engineering ingenuity, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. With each advancement, our roads become safer, our communities more secure. So the next time you drive past one of these barriers, remember the countless lives they've saved, and the countless more they'll protect in the future. Mobile Bulletin Mortar Protection System. In a world fraught with uncertainty, the Mobile Bulletin Mortar Protection System stands as a beacon of hope in the face of danger. Designed as a tribute to military veterans, this modular fortress offers unparalleled protection against threats of all kinds. Its bulletproof construction and rapid deployment capabilities make it a formidable adversary to any would-be attacker. With each panel meticulously crafted and each joint expertly sealed, it's a testament to human resilience in the face of adversity. So the next time you see one of these systems in action, take a moment to appreciate the sacrifices it represents and the security it provides. Geodesign's portable flood barrier. When the waters rise and disaster looms, Geodesign's portable flood barrier is there to hold the line. Constructed from durable materials and designed for easy deployment, it offers a lifeline in the face of nature's fury. From coastal communities threatened by rising tides to farmland at risk of inundation, this barrier stands as a bulwark against the forces of chaos. With each deployment, lives are saved, homes are spared, and hope is restored. So the next time you see one of these barriers in action, remember the lives it protects and the communities it preserves. Pangea Project for Water Pollution. In the battle against pollution, the Pangea Project is leading the charge. By intercepting floating debris before it can pollute our waterways, this innovative solution is making waves in the fight for environmental sustainability. Its simple yet effective design is a reminder that even the smallest barriers can make a big difference. From plastic bottles to discarded wrappers, every piece of debris caught by the Pangea project is a victory for the planet. So the next time you see one of these nets in action, remember the impact it's having on our oceans, rivers, and lakes. Meridian barriers. When it comes to crowd control, reliability is paramount. That's where meridian barriers come into play. With their modular design and sturdy construction, they offer a versatile solution for securing public spaces and events. From bustling city streets to peaceful parks, these barriers stand as guardians of order in a chaotic world. With each deployment, they create a safe and secure environment for people to gather and celebrate. So the next time you attend a concert or a festival, take a moment to appreciate the barriers that keep you safe and the peace of mind they provide. PAT's hydraulic bollards. In the never-ending battle against vehicular threats, PAT's hydraulic bollards are on the front lines. With their ability to withstand high-speed collisions and their discreet design, they offer a reliable solution for protecting sensitive sites and critical infrastructure. Whether it's a bustling urban center or a remote military installation, these bollards stand as silent sentinels, ready to defend against any threat. With each installation, they create a perimeter of security, ensuring that only authorized vehicles gain entry. So the next time you see one of these bollards in action, remember the safety and security they provide. Noise barrier specialists. In a world filled with noise, silence is golden. That's where noise barrier specialists come into play. With their innovative designs and soundproof construction, they offer a peaceful oasis in the midst of chaos. From bustling factories to busy highways, these barriers stand as a testament to the power of quietude in a noisy world. Smart technology and adaptive barriers. In the age of technology, adaptability is key. That's where smart barriers come into play. Equipped with sensors and monitoring systems, they offer a dynamic solution for responding to changing threats and conditions. Whether it's a sudden influx of traffic or a potential security breach, these barriers stand ready to adapt and overcome any obstacle in their path. From the humble road sign to the towering flood barrier, barriers play a crucial role in keeping us safe and secure in an uncertain world. Whether they're stopping speeding cars or protecting us from the elements, these incredible innovations are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. So the next time you encounter a barrier in your daily life, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and dedication that went into its creation. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.